Hello, friends. Once again, I'm back with a couple of interesting ideas about happy life. Many people come and ask me how to control anger and reaction while working in day-to-day life, while dealing with people in office and family. We start shouting, we start reacting, we feel furious, and reason best known to us. And at times, we try to find reason externally, like somebody didn't behave with me properly, something did not happen the way I wanted it to happen, and that we try to justify the reason of our anger. Let me share a very interesting and small story with you. A monk decided to meditate far away from his monastery. So he found out a lake in deep forest and took a boat and went into the middle of that lake. Closed his eyes and started meditating. After a couple of hours, fantastic meditation, he felt a bump on his boat, and he thought that somebody must have banged the boat with my boat. And with closed eyes, started thinking that I'm going to shout on the person. How dare that person did that and disturbed my meditation. The moment he opened his eyes, he saw that empty boat must have come with the flow of air and banged into his boat. And for the first time in his life, he perhaps realized that the reason of anger is inside me. Unnecessarily was trying to find out outside. It happens because of internal chaos, because of internal thoughts, because of our own problem. We try to find a reason or people or a situation to get angry, to react. Trust me, the calmness, the peace comes from within. If you want to stop the anger, if you want to get stop, if you want to put full stop, if you want to stop your anger, if you want to behave in a calm and cool manner, you need, before you speak and react, to think of this empty boat. And once you start thinking of it, it will always remind you anger is coming from within me. It's outside person or situation is not responsible for it. I am responsible for it. A single word of anger and reaction is going to spoil my relationship, peace of mind, and of course it's going to affect my efficiency. So friends, just give it a thought before giving any sort of reaction. Stay cool and calm and efficient. Thank you so much. Happy learning.